Think of the human body as the ultimate high-tech smart home. Its skin functions as a protective outer wall, designed specifically to keep vital resources locked safely inside and dangerous external threats outside. But when a severe injury or burn destroys a section of that wall, the entire ecosystem is compromised. The structure requires an urgent repair to remain functional. This animated diagram illustrates the first traditional medical option. Doctors borrow existing building materials from a safe, intact part of the property to physically patch the hole in the front. In medicine, this specific process is called autografting. The prefix auto means self, referring to the body using its own native tissue to execute the repair. This method has a high success rate. The house immediately accepts the repair because the smart home recognizes the molecular materials as its own. However, there are consequences when doctors take that route. By fixing the critical breach in the front, they have intentionally created a brand new painful wound in the backyard. Relying on self-repair guarantees material compatibility, but it limits how much major damage a patient can actually survive. Eventually, the body simply runs out of healthy resources to harvest. This illustration shows the alternative strategy. If a patient's property is out of safe materials, doctors must borrow bricks from a different house entirely. This external choice is known as allografting. Allo means other. It is the process of transplanting donated tissue from a genetically different person. The challenge here is that our smart home is equipped with a hyper-vigilant automated security system, the human immune system. As we see in this animated diagram, the security system's non-stop job is to scan all incoming materials. It must precisely distinguish between what natively belongs to the house and what is foreign. The moment these foreign bricks are detected, the system triggers a rejection of the foreign tissue. The automated defenses actively attack and dismantle the life-saving materials. To use donated skin without the healing process going completely awry, doctors must artificially turn off the patient's entire security system. This leaves the whole house vulnerable to outside invaders. Historically, traditional medicine left severely injured patients in a difficult position. Either inflict new physical damage upon themselves to harvest skin, or risk deadly external infections by disabling their immune defenses. To solve this, researchers moved into the laboratory to develop a third approach, a way to bypass the broken wall problem without borrowing any human bricks at all. Their specific innovation sounds like science fiction: lab-grown artificial skin. Instead of importing real, foreign bricks that trigger the alarms, scientists engineer a highly advanced temporary biological scaffolding. This scaffolding is manufactured completely blank. It lacks the specific genetic markers that the security system scans for. When doctors drop this stealth scaffolding into the broken section of the wall, it sneaks past the strict border guards undetected. This artificial skin serves as an invisible shield, buying the body vital time to launch its own ultimate repair crew. If we shift our perspective to the inside of the home, we find the patient's own native workers, the regenerative skin cells, arriving at the inner edge of the breach. The body's native cells discover the invisible scaffolding and use it as a 3D blueprint to physically crawl across the empty gap. As the patient's brand new, natural skin grows into place, the temporary artificial scaffolding is programmed to safely melt away. The artificial material is integrated into the newly growing human tissue. Modern medicine no longer requires a choice between harvesting our own healthy tissue or fighting our own immune systems. This innovation hands the human body the exact invisible blueprints it needs to perfectly heal itself.